Hello everyone, this is Al-Ahmadgaid B from ALSTAT, and this is my screencast on the introduction to R. Now once you open R, you have this sub window. This is where you actually input your commands and your codes. Okay, now you can actually customize your window if you don't like this kind of workspace, your this kind of environment. You can go to Edit, click GUI Preference, and let's make it simple. Choose SDI. I want to make it single window only. Click Save. Click Save. Replace it, click OK, OK, and close that. Now, let's restart R, and here it is. We have now single window and very simple. Now, most of us use R for statistical computation, and especially when we do data analysis or any statistics involved, R is very useful actually. Now, it's better for us to know first how to get help in R. For example, I want to know the syntax of mean, and I want to know also what is this, the arguments inside it. Well, you can just type in question mark and mean. If you press enter, there will be a pop-up window which shows the descriptions of the function mean and the arguments inside it with each description and also the examples here. So let's close it. Now another thing is that most statisticians or those who are involved in this data analysis, what's this? For example, we have this survey. One question is that how do we input our data into R? If we have this lots of data we want to run in R. Well, to do that, you can actually just type in, for example, I want to name it as data. I have an object data or variable data, and to input your values, just type in the C function. We use C function, and then just type in your data 4, 6, 8. Let's say we have this kind of data 9 and 5 and 7, 7. So for example, we have this kind of data, and if we enter that and to view or to see the values in our object data, just type in data and enter that, and there you go. Now this time you can solve for the mean, for the variance of your data, for the standard deviation of your data, and so on. Now what if you have these lots of data to input and you want to use this like in SPSS or in other statistical software which involves this table, which is very convenient to input your data? Well, you can actually do that in R also. Now let's say, for example, I want to name my data frame. This is actually what we call the data frame. We are going to make a data frame, and let's say I want to name my data frame as survey. So type in survey that data, just type in survey and just put next to it that data and assign to it the data.frame. Enter that, and I'm going to type in fix survey that data. What we'll do here is that the function fix here means is that whenever I make changes in my survey that data, it will be automatically saved. So once I press enter, the data editor will pop up, and here you can actually input your data. So let's make a variable name, say we have a response, or say just say data, or yes, it's response, and make it numeric. You can actually choose character or numeric, so we're going to choose numeric. And so just let's try our previous data. We have 4, 6, 8, 9, 5, 7, 7. So that's how you input actually your data if you have this data frame. Now, one problem in data frame is, for example, the type of variable I have here is response, and for example, I've input already hundreds of data, and I'm mistaken to input. So let's say character A. So once I enter that A, and there you go, you get here an A, which is not a number. And so this value won't be, you cannot delete this one, and so you need to run again your data frame or make another data frame. So it's very risky. Now you can actually what's this ignore that not a number if you have, for example, so if I want to print my what is this, my date survey that data, just type in print survey that data, and here it is. Now for us to solve for the mean of response, you need to first attach survey that data. There we go. So this time you can now run response. Here it is. So once I type in mean of response, I get this not a number since I have here not a number. Now to ignore not a number, just type in you can type in the mean of the response and comma and na.rm, set it to true, and once you enter that, you have now 6.57149, which is just the same with this one. Okay, so that's how you do it actually, guys. And for example, for standard deviation, you can actually do that also, response and na.rm, set it to true, and you have here 1.718249, which is just the same with this one. So that's for now, guys, and watch for my other videos also. So thanks for watching.